What if the most powerful upgrade in your home is hiding in your kitchen? Not a renovation, not a remodel, just smarter tools that change how you move, cook, and clean every single day. In this video, you are about to see kitchen gadgets that eliminate friction, speed up prep, and make your space feel sharper and more efficient instantly. If you enjoy discovering practical upgrades that actually transform routines, subscribe now, tap like, and tell me in the comments which one you would bring home first. All the links are waiting in the description. Opening a simple can should not feel like a strength test. For anyone dealing with arthritis, weak grip, or tired hands, that small twist can turn into real frustration. This electric can opener changes that instantly. With one gentle press, it glides around the lid on its own, delivering a smooth edge cut with no sharp metal and no jagged surprises. A built-in magnet lifts the lid cleanly, keeping fingers away and everything more hygienic. No squeezing, no struggling. Just a clean, controlled motion that feels almost automatic. It works on most standard cans, turning daily cooking into something calmer and more manageable. A quiet upgrade that brings comfort back to your kitchen routine for just $18.99. Freshly grated cheese hits differently, but the mess, the slow shredding, and the risk to your fingers can ruin the moment. This Zulay kitchen rotary cheese grater turns that chore into something almost satisfying. Drop your ingredients into the wide hopper, turn the handle, and watch it shred, slice, or julienne in seconds. 5 interchangeable stainless steel drums let you switch textures effortlessly, whether it is cheese, carrots, cucumbers, or even nuts. The reinforced suction base locks it firmly in place, giving you stability and confidence with every turn. Cleanup stays simple, storage stays neat. A smarter way to prep that feels like a pro move for $28.99. Pizza night feels ordinary until you slice it with a miniature bicycle. The Tour de Pizza cutter uses dual stainless steel wheels to glide cleanly through thick or thin crusts with smooth control. Its realistic bike design turns a simple dinner into a fun moment, and the included stand lets you display it proudly on your counter. Easy to clean, sharp, and unexpectedly entertaining. A playful kitchen upgrade for $19.95. Those first bites matter more than we realize. When your baby starts solids, every spoonful feels personal and intentional. The Grownsy Baby Food Maker lets you steam, blend, and even sterilize in one compact system, so you stay focused on nutrition instead of juggling appliances, timers, or messy transfers. The elevated steam basket helps preserve delicate vitamins, protecting nutrients that matter during early development. Smart digital controls let you fine-tune texture with precision. Silky smooth puree today, heartier blends tomorrow as their appetite evolves. Safe, heat-resistant materials add peace of mind with every batch you prepare. A meaningful step toward healthier homemade meals for $69.99. Garlic adds depth to almost any dish, yet peeling and chopping it often feels messy and inconvenient. This garlic peel tool transforms that entire routine into something clean, fast, and controlled. Slip the clove into the silicone peeler to remove the skin in seconds, place it inside, and press down smoothly. Interchangeable stainless steel blades allow you to dice, slice, or create a fine paste, all captured inside the clear container with raised teeth for better texture. No scattered bits across your board, no strong odor left on your hands. Just fresh garlic that transfers straight into your recipe with precision. Dishwasher safe, compact, and built to last. A smart little upgrade for $19.99. Mealtime should feel calm, not frustrating. For anyone with tremors or weak grip strength, even holding a fork can be difficult. The BUNMO adaptive utensil set is designed to bring back control at the table. Each piece features a wide, soft foam handle that feels secure and comfortable in the hand. The curved rocker knife helps make cutting easier with smoother motion. Durable stainless steel keeps them reliable for daily use, and the discreet canvas wrap makes them easy to carry anywhere. A supportive upgrade for $25.99. Messy countertops and uneven pancakes can ruin the mood before breakfast even starts. The KPKitchen pancake batter dispenser gives you clean, controlled pouring every time. Fill the wide opening, squeeze the handle, and watch evenly sized circles land right on the griddle. The reinforced design feels sturdy, and the leak-resistant valve keeps drips away. It also works for waffles, muffins, or crepes. Consistent portions, less cleanup, smoother mornings. A simple breakfast upgrade for $19.99. Seasoning should feel effortless, not like a workout mid-recipe. This rechargeable electric salt and pepper grinder set brings precision and style to your countertop. With one simple press, you control the flow while the adjustable ceramic mechanism delivers the exact coarseness you prefer, fine or bold. The transparent chamber lets you see when it is time to refill, and the USB charging keeps it ready without hunting for batteries. Sleek, modern, and easy to clean, it turns everyday cooking into a smoother ritual, a refined kitchen upgrade for $24.99. Few things feel more frustrating than a stubborn jar that refuses to open. You twist, you strain, and nothing moves. These Leezmark rubber jar opener pads give you instant grip and control without bulky tools. Just place the textured pad over the lid and turn as usual. The high-friction rubber surface helps break the seal smoothly, making it especially helpful for seniors or anyone with weak hands. Lightweight, flexible, and surprisingly strong. They also double as coasters or heat pads. A simple kitchen helper that solves daily frustration for just $6.99. A great steak can lose its magic when it turns out chewy and uneven. Instead of pounding your meat flat and making a mess, this 24-blade stainless steel tenderizer works with precision. Ultra-sharp needles penetrate the surface, breaking down tough fibers while keeping the shape intact. That means marinades soak in deeper, flavors develop faster, and cooking becomes more consistent. No splatter, no distorted cuts, just cleaner prep and better texture on every bite. Durable, rust-resistant, and easy to wash, it is a small shift that upgrades every protein you cook for $8.99. Chopping vegetables can quietly steal more time than the actual cooking. One onion, one carrot, one cucumber, and suddenly your counter is covered. This 12-in-1 vegetable chopper streamlines that entire process. With 7 interchangeable stainless steel blades, you can slice, dice, shred, or chunk in seconds, all directly into the built-in container. No scattered pieces, no constant knife work. The non-slip base keeps everything steady, while the included handguard adds confidence with every press. Even cleanup feels easier with the brush and scraper designed for the blades. More control, less prep fatigue, and faster meals without clutter. A compact kitchen essential that upgrades your routine for $13.98. The difference between average coffee and a cafe-level pour often comes down to control. The Bodum Bistro Gooseneck electric kettle gives you that precision. Its slender spout allows a steady, controlled stream that saturates grounds evenly for richer flavor and smoother extraction. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a comfortable cork handle, it feels balanced and refined in your hand. The cordless design and automatic shutoff add ease and peace of mind to your morning ritual. Whether it is pour-over coffee or delicate tea, every cup feels intentional. A sleek brewing upgrade for $39.97. Fresh herbs on your counter change the way your kitchen feels. Instead of buying wilted greens every week, you watch vibrant leaves grow right in front of you. This indoor hydroponic growing system creates a compact garden powered by a full-spectrum LED light that accelerates growth up to 5 times faster than traditional soil. The adjustable lamp rises as your plants develop, delivering balanced light exactly where it is needed. 3 tailored modes support leafy vegetables, aromatic herbs, or flowering fruits, giving you more control over flavor and yield. A quiet recirculating pump oxygenates the roots automatically, promoting stronger growth without constant attention. The built-in viewing window makes it easy to monitor water levels and root progress, while the generous tank capacity supports steady development between refills. No backyard, no complicated setup, and no green thumb required. Just plug it in, add water, and start planting. It brings freshness, color, and satisfaction into your space all year long, transforming a simple countertop into something alive and productive. A modern kitchen upgrade that delivers real harvest for $35.99. There is a moment when a soup should feel silky, a smoothie should feel velvety, and your baby food should turn perfectly smooth without chunks. Instead of dragging out a bulky countertop blender, this 800-watt immersion blender handles it right inside the pot or cup. The titanium alloy 4-blade system cuts from multiple angles, breaking down ingredients quickly while reducing splatter. Its quiet motor and internal vibration control create a steadier, calmer blending experience, so your kitchen does not sound like a construction zone. With 12 adjustable speeds and a turbo option, you control the texture precisely, whether you want a light puree or a thicker consistency. The sealed blending arm design helps prevent liquid from reaching the motor, adding durability and easier cleanup. Lightweight, powerful, and built for daily use, it simplifies everything from morning smoothies to evening soups. No transferring, no extra containers, just direct blending and immediate results. A compact performance upgrade that makes every recipe smoother for $23.89. Cutting a fresh pineapple can feel like a sticky, uneven struggle. This stainless steel pineapple corer transforms that task into a smooth twist and lift motion. The sharp, serrated blade glides through the fruit, creating perfect rings while keeping the shell intact. An included eye remover helps clean up any remaining spots quickly, so you get clean slices without hacking away with a knife. The ergonomic handle feels comfortable and controlled, and the detachable design makes cleanup simple. Fresh, ready-to-serve pineapple in seconds for $9.99. A single slip with a sharp blade can turn cooking into an instant regret. These cut-resistant gloves add reliable protection while keeping your hands flexible and precise. Made with high-performance fibers engineered for advanced cut resistance, they create a protective barrier without sacrificing comfort. The snug fit allows you to maintain full control when slicing vegetables, working with a mandolin, trimming meat, or shucking oysters. Breathable material helps reduce sweat during longer prep sessions, and the washable design makes cleanup simple. Lightweight, practical, and easy to hang dry, they blend seamlessly into your routine. A smart layer of confidence in the kitchen for $9.99. Store-bought juice looks healthy until you check the label. Making your own should feel simple, not overwhelming. This cold-pressed juicer features a wide 5.4-inch feed chute that fits whole fruits and vegetables, cutting down prep time instantly. The slow masticating system works at low speed to help preserve nutrients and natural flavor while reducing oxidation. A strong motor and upgraded auger extract more juice with less pulp and fewer clogs, giving you smoother results in every glass. Detachable parts make cleaning easier, keeping your routine practical. A fresh daily upgrade for $59.99. Some days you want a smoothie, other days it is a quick sauce, a dip, or even scrambled eggs whipped in seconds. The Magic Bullet makes those small kitchen tasks feel instant. Its compact, high-torque motor handles chopping, blending, grinding, and mixing without taking over your counter. With multiple cups, resealable lids, and a convenient to-go top, you can blend and head out the door without extra dishes. The durable cups are built for everyday use, keeping prep simple and fast. A versatile little powerhouse that earns its spot in your kitchen for $34.99. A hot pan hits the counter for just a second, and suddenly you are hoping it did not leave a mark. These silicone trivets create a protective barrier between heat and your surfaces. Made from thick food-grade silicone, they handle high temperatures while staying flexible and easy to grip. The textured honeycomb design adds stability, helping prevent slips when you place heavy pots or baking dishes down. Lightweight yet durable, they double as spoon rests, jar openers, drying mats, or extra grip wherever you need it. Dishwasher safe and simple to hang, they fit seamlessly into everyday cooking. A small layer of protection that saves your countertops for $9.89. Reusing cooking oil can feel messy and uncertain. You want to save it, but not the burnt crumbs and floating residue that affect flavor. This stainless steel deep fryer pot simplifies that entire routine with a built-in fine mesh strainer that filters as you pour, leaving your oil cleaner and clearer for the next use. The generous 68-ounce capacity handles large batches comfortably, whether you are frying chicken, potatoes, seafood, or preparing outdoor meals. The integrated basket makes lifting food safer and more controlled, while the ergonomic handle stays secure even when the pot is full. A precision spout allows steady, even pouring without splashing your countertop. Made from durable food-grade stainless steel, it works on gas or induction cooktops and is dishwasher safe for easier cleanup. Beyond frying, it also functions as a storage container, helping reduce waste and keep your cooking space organized. One practical tool that filters, stores, and cooks with confidence for $23.99.